This 5-minute solution will show you how to stop others from downloading your reels on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram profile. Tap on this menu icon, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Under How Others Can Interact with You section, tap on Sharing and Remixes. And here scroll down. And here you will get this option, Allow people to download your reels. So to stop others from downloading your reels, you have to disable this option. And now on, no one will be able to download your Instagram reels. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.